Aloha and welcome to lesson 3 of this beginner ukulele video series. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning one new chord, which is the G chord. How do you play it? Very simple. Take your first finger, put it on the second fret of the third string, your second finger on the second fret of the first string, and your third finger on the third fret of the second string. And the chord sounds like this. Here's a closer look at the chord. Okay, so now let's use the G chord in a particular pattern. The pattern is C, C major 7th, F, and G. So we're going to play each chord for a duration of 4 beats or 1 bar. There will be a pre-bar before we begin. We'll start at a slower pace of 75 BPM.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wonderful. Now that you've played it at 75 BPM, let's do the same at 100 BPM.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Fantastic. Now let's play another pattern using the G chord. This time we're going to be playing the C chord, the F chord, the C chord, and then the G chord. And we'll play each chord for a duration of 4 beats or 1 bar. Let's start at 75 BPM.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done. Now let's pick up the pace and go to 100 BPM.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hope you found this lesson useful. Make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest videos. If you would like to come back and go through any of the material again, go down to the description, click on the relevant playthrough in the timeline, and you can recap it again and again as many times as you like. If you would also like to play a longer version of the playthrough, we've released all the playthroughs as a music album. They're available to listen on all your favorite streaming platforms. If you like what we're doing, make sure you follow us on social media. Our links are in the description below. All your clicks, shares, likes and comments make a big difference to keep this channel going. In order to help us even further, you can become a member on our Gigsy page. The Gigsy page link is in the description below. And above all else, stay safe and keep on uking.